I come up to give everybody water and check on the birdie. And Louise comes over and tries to tell me it's nap time. Oh. Come here, Weezy. What are you doing? What are you looking at me like that for? I swear this cat knows I have the video on. What? Are you pretty kitty? You are a pretty kitty. Yeah, the bird's not gonna hurt you. She can't fly. She pulled off her feathers. She's getting mad. I'm not patting her. That's her back foot, by the way. What are you doing there? What are you doing, Are you my kitty? Say, if only you would be this precious when we took you out.